2022 Durango SRT 392. This is what it sounds like before 392. Nice package on it. As you guys can see, it's very, very quiet. Again, these sound decibels. Again, right at 93. Again. So we'll let you guys hear it after we put a BORLA ATAK catback, part number 140792. There will be a link in the description for it. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, 2022 Dodge Durango SRT 392. What we got done on this beast, you see that old exhaust right there? Nasty, too quiet. So we left only the factory converters there and there. Then we ran a whole BORLA ATAK system, catback, as you guys can see, there and right there. X-pipe, 3-inch system all the way back. There's the BORLA ATAKs in the back, right there on each side, there and there. And then some massive 4.5-inch tips out in the back, rolled there and there to complete the whole look. There's the BORLA ATAK system. Nice shiny system all the way. And we like to support BORLA because they're in Johnson City, Tennessee. And there's the old system that was on it right there that we took off. And the part numbers right here, 140792. There will be a link in the description for it. So that got replaced with this beauty right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the BORLA ATAK, baby. Again. Wow, 116. That sounds phenomenal, guys. What do you think? Again? Let it idle for a second. Listen to it idle. Again? 116, guys. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it out. Dodge Durango and 392. Much better. Nice idle. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Durango SRT 392. That's a sexy car, man. Yeah, sexy. Enjoy, guys.